Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
It's that cup. I don't think anybody can hit that cup. They're trying. Now take it. Try to hit that cup. Hit the toe. All right. Oh, Jacob's still rolling. Jacob's still rolling. Jacob could actually go all above. It's the cup. And now I'm gonna get inside. Oh no! How did that happen? Don't get hole in one from Nan. No! What is going on, Nan? Stepping in for a tune.
That was lucky.
Hit the cup. Whoa!
Did it hit your foot?
It did.
All right.
Jake saved you, Liz.
Thank you for the saving.
Play.
Going in for a two. Going in for a two. Oh!
Oh, no, Lise can also save.
If Lise puts this in, she can save the hole. Well, she saves the hole.
Oh, careful.
Lise is falling down.
Thank you.
Oh, Sandy distracted me. It was your fault. Big two for Jacob.
That's it.
Hey, boss.
I think you and I are the
Hey, next hole.